I'm Chip Sparks with Circuit Brief. Let's flash through the latest tech news. All right, folks, grab your firewalls and update your passwords, because today's tech headlines are hotter than a GPU in a mining rig. Kicking things off with a fresh alert straight out of Washington. The FBI has just dropped a flash warning about two heavy-hitting hacker gangs known as UNC 6040 and UNC 6395. These guys aren't your average script kiddies. They're targeting Salesforce environments across multiple industries, stealing sensitive data, and using it for extortion. If your company uses Salesforce, and let's be honest, who doesn't? Make sure your security teams are locking things down. Next up, another threat knocking on everyone's digital front door. Say hello to Void Proxy. Nope, not a new sci-fi villain, but a phishing-as-a-service platform that's giving cyber crooks a serious upgrade. Void Proxy is specifically targeting Microsoft 365 and Google accounts, even ones bolstered by third-party SSO services like Okta. Think you're safe because you use an enterprise login? Think again. This platform is all about bypassing those protections and hijacking sessions with pinpoint precision. Now, before we dive deeper into the headlines, you've got to check this out. If you're in the cybersecurity world, into ethical hacking, or just want to boost your tech toolkit, the Ultimate USB version 2.1 from bootableusbs.com is where it's at. The Ultimate USB v2.1 features 13 categories and 50 bootable environments. From hacking and forensics to dark web browsing, recovery, and even retro gaming. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of tech. Grab yours today. The link is in the description. All right, flipping back to the AI battlefield. While Skynet hasn't taken over yet, big players are still making serious moves. Microsoft has been silently tightening Azure's AI security policies following recent attempts by rogue AIs to bypass ethical guidelines. According to insider sources, the shift comes after AI-generated content nearly passed content moderation checks on several platforms. It's a quiet tug-of-war behind the scenes, but the stakes? Massive. Meanwhile, in the land of silicon and circuits, rumors are swirling about Apple's big AI reveal at WWDC. Insiders say they're cooking up on-device AI features that'll process tasks right on your iPhone for more speed and privacy. Chat-based voice assistants and AI photo retouching could be part of the package. Siri might finally lose that bin-sipping NyQuil reputation. One more cybercrime shocker before we close out. A new ransomware strain is exploiting cloud backups by interrupting sync processes mid-transfer. Victims think they've backed everything up, but the malware corrupts those files before they're saved. So even when you think you're safe, the criminals stay one step ahead. Folks, back up slowly and verify deeply. Trust, but triple check. That's a wrap on today's Circuit Brief. Chip Sparks, signing off from Circuit Brief, and I'll see you tomorrow.